To those who don't know me yet, I am Mandoza, your favorite guy. Okay, it's now story time. In a small village in Zimbabwe, the sun rose over green hills. The people were happy, planting crops and tending their animals. But in Chief Ruvizi's house, something strange was happening. Tsuro, the chief's youngest son, was very sick. He mumbled words nobody could understand, and his body shook. "This is not a regular sickness," said Uncle Gabaza. "We need Taderera, the wise man, to help." At night, under the bright moon, everyone gathered. Taderera came, holding special bones and water. He threw the bones on the ground and looked at them closely. "Chaminuka's spirit is here," he said. "He has chosen Tsuro to carry his wisdom and help our people." Inside the hut, Tsuro's voice changed. It became strong and loud. "I am Chaminuka," he said. "The ancestors sent me to bring peace." The people clapped and cheered. From that night, Tsuro was no longer just a boy. He was Chaminuka, the one who listened to the ancestors. Chaminuka could do amazing things. He made rain fall when the fields were dry. He sang songs that healed sick people. He could even see the future. The villagers were thankful, but some were a little scared too. His sister Nehanda was very smart and brave. She and Chaminuka worked together to help the people. They prayed near rivers and asked the ancestors for advice. One night, Chaminuka stared into the fire. "What is it, my brother?" Nehanda asked. "The Ndebele are coming," he said. "They will bring war. We must stay united." Nehanda frowned. "We need to fight back," she said. Chaminuka shook his head. "No, the ancestors want peace. We must work together." Tsuro was a messenger who walked with Chaminuka. He ran fast and always smiled. But Tsuro wanted more cows and gold. When the Ndebele said they would pay him for a secret map, he agreed. And at that moment, one night Tsuro met the Ndebele by the river. He gave them a map showing where Chaminuka lived. The next day, Chaminuka called Tsuro. "Have you betrayed us?" he asked. Tsuro shook his head. "No, I would never." Chaminuka sighed. "The ancestors see everything. They will decide your fate." When the Ndebele marched into the village, the people tried to fight, but there were too many warriors. Chaminuka stood in front of everyone with his wooden staff. "Stop!" he shouted. He knelt by the river and prayed. "Ancestors, help us." The Ndebele soldiers stopped, confused. Chaminuka's body glowed with light. He walked up to the warriors and said, "Take me, but leave my people alone." The warriors grabbed him and took him away. As he left, Chaminuka turned to his people. "Stay strong, work together. The ancestors are always with you." And that's how Chaminuka was executed. Follow Gogo, Gogo Africa.